Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I hope everybody had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's. I had fun. I enjoyed myself. My family did too. We had lots of fun. I am glad to be back on here. It's the new year, so I'm going to get back to doing these videos on the regular, you guys. But I want to show you what I got for Christmas from my husband. My husband got me for Christmas. And that is, this thing is heavy, this button maker right here. And let me tell you guys, I love this thing. Like, it's very addicting to do. Like, I wake up and I just want to make buttons. But I'm gonna show you guys a few buttons that I've made. Okay, you guys, well, you know my husband is a Dallas Cowboys fan, and so he requested some buttons of his own, and these were the buttons that I made for him. Look at that, you guys. These things are awesome, and these are like the little pins, badge pins, whatever you want to call it, you know. My kids love Steven Universe. I do too, y'all. I'm guilty. I watch it all the time. So I made some Steven Universe pins. Is that coming up good? Anywho, I also made like some little designer ones, I guess. Is that thing focusing? It does not look like it's focusing. Oh my Jesus. Terrible. Anywho, let me show you guys some of the earrings that I did. Now these are fabric. I did these with fabric. These are not paper. These are fabric ones. And I just love it, you guys. Love, love, love. These are velvet ones right here. These are probably my favorite ones that I did. I also did the ones that I have on. You guys, I don't know. I'm just infatuated with it now. Like, I'm just obsessed with making buttons. But my husband actually makes the buttons better than I do.
Don't do that.
I still have to learn, because I'll make like 5 buttons, and out of the 5 buttons, only 2 of them will come out good, and the other 3 will be just a little bit jacked up. At least just not up to my standards. My husband says it's still fine, but it's just not up to my standards, so I trash them. But anywho, you guys, I'm gonna show you how that bad boy works, so stay tuned. And okay, you guys, I want to show you really quick the, what is that, supplies? The supplies that we got. Now don't ask me what none of this stuff is called, because I don't know. But if you go to Google and type in button maker supplies, all of this stuff will pop up. You need, these is like the little pin backs. You know, I don't know what they are, okay? These little metal things. This is the actual shell of the pin or the badge. And then, of course, you know, you need your little clear Mylars. And I do know what these are called, y'all, so points for me for that. And then, of course, you can use the little pin backs, but I rarely use these. I've also made magnets as well. And I just bought like the little magnets from Walmart and stuck it on the back of it, because the back of it is flat. So you can pretty much make that, you know, the earring or whatever you want it to be. And these are 1-inch pins. So if you are doing this, let me tell you, first of all, it does come with, well, my husband bought me a 1-inch hole punch, you know, which is awesome. But when you are doing these, you have to fill up the little, the circle thing. You have to fill that up with your materials, if it's fabric or if it's paper. So my 1-inch was pretty much just this size. So when it was punching it, you know, it didn't have any fabric or anything to wrap over it and like help hold it and bind it together. So I had to pretty much measure and all of that. So your circles have to be 1.3. That is pretty much The width of your circle has to be 1.3, but the actual picture itself has to be 1 inch. Now, these is when I first started off doing it, but I have now changed it to where I have an inner circle inside of this one where the actual picture is, or image, or whatever. So, my husband's going to go ahead and set this up, and while he's setting this up, I'm going to go ahead and cut one out. Honey,
Yep.
can you get off your phone just for 2 seconds? Lord have mercy. Y'all gonna see him get smacked on camera.
Smack TV.
Uh-huh.
What you want me to do?
You ain't listening either?
Okay.
Set it up.
It's already set up.
No, it's not. Okay, now I need you to explain what you do. See, I need you to tell what you're doing, honey.
Okay. This is the
They can't hear you.
I'm sure they can't.
No, they cannot. They cannot hear you.
This is the button. This is the actual button. And when you place it in this side up. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this side is up. And then you place it in like this. Just place it in there. And then
Can we bring the camera closer?
Nah, you fine.
Okay.
Here's the image. I don't know if y'all can see the JoJo CY image, but you take the image and it's face up as well. Then you take the little clear film that comes with the machine, and you place it. You just place it on the top, make sure it's like even with push all the way down, and it's covered. All right, and then on this side over here.
That's the side he hates.
Yeah, this side I hate. This button, you can see the actual button. It's supposed to be on this side facing up. This part I hate though.
The flat side facing you, pretty much.
Flat side facing up, and you just basically put it down in there, but it never works for me.
Did you get it the first time?
No, I had to tap it.
Yeah, oh no, I was asking if you got it this time.
I had to tap it. Yeah. Then you just take the machine.
And you gotta make sure. See these little
the pegs is in the plastic bag. I put them in there. Yeah, the bottom. Yo, upstairs.
Okay, now it does have pegs. Now these pegs are what stop this, because you see it can just slide right out. But the pegs stop it and hold it into place. That way you know how far over to move your
Yeah.
What is this called? To move the god darn yeah, whatever. Sliders.
Yeah, just call them sliders. And you push it. It's this one that you do first. The one with the image in the film. You push it to the middle right here. Make sure it's even. I always make sure mine even, whatever. Then hold it back. Push down.
Now the first one you push down, it is going to be a gap right here.
Yeah.
Now when you push down on the second one, it's not supposed to be in the gap. This is the one where you have to use force to actually mesh the two together or clamp it. Yeah. And that is where I have trouble, because I guess like my husband said, I don't use enough force, or
it's just the way they got.
I just don't. Yeah, like I told him, it should have came where you can clamp it onto like a table or a desk or something like that. But because you have to like put pressure on it and hold it, and then y'all can't even see what I'm doing. Yeah. But clamp it, you gotta hold it and you gotta try to clamp it at the same time. It's kind of hard to do. But
when you're doing this last part right here, you gotta put pressure on the back, and when you push down, you gotta make sure it doesn't come up in the back. That's when my wife be feeling that. When she put the pressure on it like this, some kind of way, hers come up in the back, and then you lift up. And the button should be 100.
That is a perfect button. Mine never come out like that. But yes, we have a JoJo CY button, you guys, and that is how you do it. Front and back. All right. Yep, that's pretty much it. That's how that goes.
It's easy. It's a good machine. You just gotta learn how to use it.
I gotta learn how to use it.
Yeah. That's all. You gotta put force on it, babe.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, dog.
If you guys have any questions on this, like I said, I love this machine. I highly recommend it. Excuse me. Even if mine don't come out perfect, I just love doing it. Like I really do like doing buttons. I want to become a button shop now. That's just how obsessed I am with this. But questions, please feel free to ask, and as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.